Hey you guys, look where I'm going into Tuesday morning. I have not been here in so long, so I hope you guys are interested in coming in here with me. I think I'm gonna start over at the furniture just because it's the first thing I see as I walk in. Look at these stools. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And I don't see a price on that one, but they have some pretty colors. I see the orange. Look at that blue. Look at that. It is a storage container. I only have one hand, you guys. I can't pick them up, but those are really pretty. What is this? A console table. Oh, I like this. And it was $349. It's $262 now, but this one is damaged. So it's $174, but this is pretty. Look at that. Really nice. And they have these cute little tables. Is this storage as well? No, but that's cute. This is $99, and this is marble. That's $79. And look at that, a bookcase shelf for $374. Oh, this is cute for $99. I like that. That shelf back there is $99 as well. They got some really nice furniture. Oh, look at that. Do not over tighten knobs when installing. And look at that. So there is drawers. And the front looks like that. And there's 4 drawers, and that is $129, and it has a mirror on top as well. These are $30. Cute little stands. This is $199, and it's 3 shelves. You have the 3. Look at that, $39.99. It has the ombre effect. That's pretty. How much is this? This one is $69 compared to $119. That's different. It's really soft. $199. Cute little cupboard and tables. And then over here I just see a lot of little stands and everything, and some little stools. Look at that one, really pretty. That is $49. Then you have these are $59. Cotton printed stone wash braided stool, and that's gray. And then there's a blue one. And then I just see a bunch of chairs. Oh, look at this for $3.99. I like this. Look at how all the detail on that, and up the back. That's really cute. I like that. $79 for this. $249 for that. That's beautiful, and it's really soft. This is $249. Oh, this is a cute little bench you can put in your front yard by Kingsbury. And how much is this? Only $59. Isn't that cute? Put your little cushions on there. It could be used for the kids. It's just sitting up high because it's on some boxes. But that is super cute. Loving all the flowers. I remember seeing one something like this and I fell in love with it, but it was gliding. I really like that, and it was metal. This one is $99. I like that. Lots of furniture. Look at these tables. Those are $99. These lawn chairs are $149. Look at these statues. These are so pretty. Look at her. I like this one. It's too big to move to see the price on that one, but it's really pretty. And you have that angel up there. Look at that. And these, I'm not even gonna try to lift that, but those are pretty. And then I just spotted over here, look at these ducks. These are $24.99. Look at the color on those. Really, really pretty. And the little rooster. Okay, and it looks like they're putting out some of their spring stuff. Oh my goodness, these dishes are beautiful. So here's a little egg holder for $4.99. Look at these bowls. And those are only $1.99. They have the matching plates. Look at that. And these are $3.99. And they have bigger bowls. Look at that. And these are $2.99. Those are really pretty. I like those. And then up here I see cookie jars for $9.99 with the ears on it. Look at those plates. So where's that going? Over there. Okay. Look at that. This one is glass for $2.99. And then you have these styles as well. The rectangle and the oval. And then these little bowls. Oh, look at all of this copper. Beautiful. All kinds of stuff. This is $16.99, so this one is probably 20 something. I just can't pick that up, but look at these cups. $7.99. This is for utensils, $9.99. Different things. Look at that. Lots of pots and pans. And then I see this display with all of these things over here. Look at those baking dishes. That is so pretty. I dare not try to pick that up though. It says made in Italy. This is $5.99. Those are beautiful, and they have it in this color as well. Very, very pretty. Now I'm over here by the food section. I think I'm gonna head over to the craft side just to see, because I haven't been buying any craft products, but I'm gonna head over there. So over by the craft station, I see a lot of We Are goodies, like over here, template, studio, ribbon clips, washi wraps. Look at that for $1.99. Here's a font punch. I mean, there's like a bunch of stuff over here. Punch board. I haven't been to Tuesday Morning in so long. I'm not even sure what's already been out and what's new, but I'm just showing you. Here's a punch board for $11.99. All kinds of little crafting supplies. That's a party board, DIY party board. And then what is this? Okay, this is heavy, but it's a light. See details clearly and colors accurately, and this is $44.99. Washi tape. What is this? A heat wave foil pen. What is that? $14.99. Some tag punches for $9.99. Lots of different stuff. I remember when I was crafting, I would come here and find all kind of stuff. Create 365 washi. Look at that, $3.99. Okay, they have a bunch of washi right now. I've never even heard of Firefly, but look at that. It's for camping. It has the little vans on it right there. $5.99. This one is for traveling. Okay, you guys, there is a bunch of washi tape and tubes for $5.99. Oh, this is really, really pretty. With the blues and the fish. There's Christmas washi up here. This one with the unicorns on it. $3.99. This mixed media. Really, really cute. Look at that. $3.99. So much washi. Okay, this one I have to see. Let me see. Oh wait, it's the same one right here. So this is Thanksgiving. It has a pie. $3.99. All kinds of washi tape. I cannot go through all of this. But if you're looking for some washi tape, you might want to get to Tuesday morning. Here's Amy Tangerine. $3.99. This one with the mermaids. There's like a bunch of it. Look at this mixed media with the ladies' faces and everything. The ladies right here. There's all kind of stuff going on in that pack for $3.99. Look at all of these stamps in this basket. Oh my gosh. Stamps over here, stamps up there, and stickers. Oh, these are cute. Look at those. 8 sheets of stickers. Here's some faux enamel for $1.49. Little panda bears. Okay, I like those. Glamping. Look at that. Here's some die cuts. Different ones. Okay. Lord knows I'm so happy I don't really craft. Mini succulents for $2.99. This is like a big mushroom house. Like one of the Smurfs' house. Lots of stuff. Look at this sticker book for $6.99. Heidi Swap sticker books. And then there's different ones back here. Oh my goodness. Let me see. And these are $6.99. So I see this stack right here of that color. Then you have this one. Includes special treatments. That. Here's this one. Oh, this one is cute. With all of that. Okay, what else? Here's this book. Okay, there's too many for me to go through. But there's a lot of books here, you guys. So I'm going to put those back and then I'm going to move on. Look at these. Ooh, $1.99. What is this? Gal Meets Glam. 60 count mixed bag with gold foil accents for $1.99. Okay, this is cute. I may need to buy this. And I think I want this right here. Look at those. What else did I say I was gonna pick up? Oh, this pack over here that said glamping. Right here. Then down here I see, what are these? The Create 365 books. Oh, I wish these had the numbers. I need the numbers, not all the letters. But you have this for $5.99. This one. Okay, I'll probably get this because I like the flowers in that one.
Hey there.
And there's a bunch more, but that's the one I'm gonna get. What is this one? Oh, this is the seasons.
And did you know we always have your pet safety in mind?
Jen Hatfield homemade. Look at that. And that is $6.99. Lots of sticker books. Goodness, look at that. Now I'm back here looking at pictures. That one says this is my happy place. That is so cute. Just some different pictures that they have. Big old lobster up there. Look at a burger with a heart. A giant peacock. Oh, look at that one. Chanel picture. And that's it. Okay, everybody, thank you for coming with me. I'm gonna leave out now. I just wanted to see what Tuesday morning had. I cannot believe all the craft stuff they had. Oh gosh, look, a sequin blanket. Why does my eyes find everything sequin? But yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. I'm gonna leave up out of here and head across the parking lot because I need to go to Target. This is pretty. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye, you guys.